Dr.C.V.Suresh Babu's Virtual Classroom presents Childhood and Growing Up series.
Hello everybody, let's discuss about the impact of urbanization and the economic change on child development in this video. The topic covered are urbanization, benefits and adverse effects of urbanization, impact of urbanization on child development, liberalization, globalization and privatization. Now, let us discuss what is urbanization. The meaning of urbanization is the gradual increase of people living in the urban areas. Urbanization also deals with the ways in which each society adapts to the change. An important amazing fact is that United Nations has projected that by 2050, 64% of the developing and 84% of the developed world will be urbanized. Now, let's see for the benefits of urbanization. The basic amenities reach people with less effort. Access to basic and luxury amenities is readily available in cities than villages. Lot of resources are available in cities. Cities are a better place for social integration, and possibility of earning is also higher in cities when compared with rural areas. High-tech industries earn valuable foreign exchange and a lot of money for the country. Adverse effects of urbanization. The growth of slums is increased in urban areas. The decrease in agricultural product, pressurizing on the provision of civic amenities for the people. Adverse effect on environment like temperature increase, air pollution, changes in nature cycle and water cycle. The unemployment is increased rapidly, and also the problem of law and order is created. Now, let us have an overview on the impact of urbanization on child development in different aspects. First is the physical development. As the open space for playing are rarely available for the kids, the lack in regular practice of exercise, outdoor games, etc., and also the longer time of addiction towards gadgets leads the children to suffer from obesity, diseases, eyesight problem, and mainly the girl child is attaining puberty at a very younger age. Mental development. As the usage of electronic gadgets are increased among the children of urban area, the cognitive development of the urban children is high when compared with the children living in the countryside. Social development. Due to the development of urban culture, there is a wide impact on children of urban areas like children becoming more selfish, not concerning about others, shows no respect to the elders, lag behind in mother tongue, etc. etc. Emotional and moral development. The urban culture has affected the emotional development of the children by acting fast in everything, lack of self-control, obstinate and so stubborn, fall in moral standard of the children behavior. Now, let us have an overview on the impact of liberalization, globalization and privatization on child development in different aspects. Liberalization's impact on child development. Liberalization exerts its economic influences on child development in three ways: wages and employment opportunities, prices of goods purchased and services received, government expenditure on welfare measures. These measures and impact of liberalization are interrelated and has its effect on child development. Impact of privatization on child development. The infrastructure gets expanded in service sectors like education, hospitals, entertainment sectors, etc. High quality in service offered. Privatization concentrates mostly on the urban areas. Therefore, the children of rural areas are not much benefited. Impacts of globalization on child development. Children tend to buy new goods without knowing the actual need of it. Basic computing ability is destroyed because of increase in usage of gadgets. New gadgets introduction to market makes the children addicted to it, which affects their social interaction and thereby creating many problems in social and physical development of the child. Thank you, friends. We will meet you at the next informative video. Until then, take care. If you like the video, like it, share it, and share your valuable comments with us. Do subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Take care. Have a nice day.
For more detailed information, please refer to our book, Childhood and Growing Up, by Dr.C.V.Suresh Babu. Highlights of our simplified series. Why should I learn this chapter? Snapshot. Frequently asked question. Summary. Activity. Assignment. Video online. Just before exam. Test yourself. Keywords. Further readings. For more tutorial videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.